Vakhandziyi ava koxa ku vuyiseriwa mali ya vona. Maphorisa le magondzweni va kumela leswaku xihambukelo xa le ndzeni ka bazi a xi tirhi, mathayere a ma le ka xiyimo xa kahle naswona xidirayivhelo xi na xiphiqo. Vakhandziyi vo tala va ri va ringetile ku vulavula na vufambisi bya khampani kambe swi tsandza.
I'm very much disappointed because we've paid a lot of money. I'm traveling with 2 kids, so we have paid more than 2,000 rand. So I'm very disappointed. They must fix their problems.
I'm very disappointed of this bus. It's not well at all. I'm not happy at all of this bus because there is no toilet, the tire is not all right.
I stopped it because I suspected when I saw the board on the rear window on the left-hand side that is close with the board. Then immediately when I saw that, I suspected that this bus might be unroadworthy. Then immediately when I stop it, when I arrive at the door, when they open up the door, I hear a smell coming out from the bus, and then I asked the driver, what is the smell of about? And then he said to me, it's a battery. I said, no, this can't be a battery. Then I went further back, then the people were screaming to me, said, yeah, you have helped us, the lifesaver.
Ku ve ku tisiwa bazi rin'wana ra Intercape ku ta rhwala vakhandziyi va ya mahlweni na rendzo.